Devin Booker is officially stepping into a new chapter of his signature line as Nike transitions from the Book 1 to the Book 2 in early 2026. This rollout represents a smooth passing of the torch, highlighted by a clear theme of rebirth and renewal. After the Book 1 torched colorway releases at the end of December, Nike follows up with two Book 2 colorways arriving in January 2026. The rising pair comes dressed in black, while the Phoenix edition leans heavily into bold orange tones as a tribute to Booker's home city. The Phoenix colorway stands out the most, featuring a fully molded upper with a sleek, sculpted look that feels futuristic and performance-driven. The Swoosh uses lenticular branding that reveals flame graphics as it moves, adding visual energy. A sun-inspired traction pattern on the outsole reinforces the rebirth theme. The Nike Book 2 Phoenix releases January 16, 2026, priced at $145 through Nike and select retailers.